Alright, enough of restaurant visits and street foods. Sometimes it feels great to try out some homely cooked meals, and meals become special if it's cooked by yourself. But what if you want to cook some biryani, pulao or chicken mutton kosha, but you are too tired or too lazy or doesn't have enough talent like me to cook them expertly or properly? Well, I have a solution for that, and for that purpose I have brought Geek RoboCook Smart Pressure Cooker, which is of 6 liter from Amazon at 7,999 rupees. And as always, I'll drop the link of that product in the description below. And by the way, this is Devajyoti and you are already watching my vlog. Today's vlog will be a bit different one, so stay tuned and come, let's cook some delicious food with the minimal amount of effort. I will be using these ingredients to make today's chicken biryani. First, let me show you the dry whole masalas that are required. We have few bay leaf, star anise, few cloves, few peppers, cardamom, cinnamon, kasturi methi, cumin seeds and dry red chili. And for powder masala, we have dry red chili powder followed by cumin seed powder, coriander seed powder, and this one is the biryani powder. Beside that we have garam masala powder and a bit of meetha atot. Apart from that, we will require a few pieces of potato, few green chilies, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 big onions finely chopped, 1 big tomato, a bit of coriander and mint chopped finely, half cup of sauerkraut which has been whipped nicely, fried onions or piyajer beres, 750 grams of basmati rice, it has been soaked, and finally 1 kg of chicken, and obviously ghee. We need a lots of ghee to make this biryani flavorful, and a bit of keura water and rose water. This is the LCD screen of RoboCooker. Apart from that, you get a plethora of Indian menus: rice, dal, idli, sambar, pongal, rajma, gravy, curry. And the most interesting part is that it has biryani, pulao, soup, egg, chicken, mutton, fish, you name it, whatever you want to cook, you can cook in this smart pressure cooker. And here is the lid. Once you press it and twist it, it opens up. It's that easy. Else in traditional pressure cooker, it was a bit hectic task to close the lid, but this is not the case over here. It has got a good safety control also. If the lid is not closed properly, it will continue to do other thing which you need to keep in mind. One is this venting button. If you keep your lid in the venting button, it will allow the steam to come out. It depends on the dish you are cooking, and for biryani, no need of venting. I need the steam to be kept intact so that the biryani gets cooked uniformly. Firstly, we will open the lid just by pressing this button and twisting it. Then we have a saute button over here. First we need to press that and it will go in the saute mode, and after that you need to press the start button. Let me pour some ghee over here. Within 30 seconds the pan gets heated up. I will just pour all the dry whole masalas. I will put the onions over here. We will now put the green chilies along with the garlic paste, and now we mix it properly and let it saute for a few minutes. So it's almost 4 to 5 minutes I have been cooking this. Now I will put the tomatoes and ginger paste in it. Actually in the intro I have said that I will be cooking chicken kosha, but I have changed my mind to check it how efficient my smart pressure cooker is to cook complex recipes like chicken biryani. Are smart pressure cooker, robo cooker, jai boluk na keno hoy kina seta to dekhte hobe. Now I will add the chicken pieces in it. And next we will add all the powdered masalas. So basically if you are too lazy or too novice and don't know how to cook, this is a perfect solution. কারণ সবকিছু জাস্ট ঢেলে দিয়ে একটু নেড়ে চেড়ে জল ফল দিয়ে আর চাপা দিয়ে দিলেই হয়ে যাবে, বিকজ এভরিথিং ইজ প্রোগ্রামড ইনটু দিস। অ্যান্ড ওয়ান মোর ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং দ্যাট ইট কামস উইথ প্রোগ্রামেবল ইন্টেলিজেন্ট কুকিং চিপ, হুইচ ইজ লাইক আ স্মার্ট চিপ। যেমন অ্যাপেলে বায়োনিক চিপ থাকে, মোবাইলে স্মার্ট ড্রাগন চিপ থাকে, এটাতেও এরকম একটা চিপ দেওয়া রয়েছে which is intelligent enough to keep the nutritional value of all the vegetable, meats and fish intact. I have poured the soaked rice also and I will just cook it for few more minutes. Sour curd in it. And I forgot to put the potatoes. তো কোনো ব্যাপার না, এখনই দিয়ে দিই, সেদ্ধ হয়ে যাবে and it will absorb flavors of the masalas. बड़ी बड़ी शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है, তো এরকম এটা ছোট একটা ভুল, এটা নিয়ে কোনো ব্যাপার না। And finally I will put the mint and coriander leaves, the rose water, kewra water and meetha atur. And to finish it off I will be pouring the onions or piyajer beresta and I will close. Now I will just close the lid and put the valve to sealing. Alright, the sauteing has been completed and now I will select the mode. Twisting this knob changes the different modes: rice, dal, chicken, mutton, fish, whatever you want to cook. So I will twist the knob and set it to biryani or pulao. A red dot is blinking over here. And also you can adjust how fast you want to cook your biryani. See, it's changing to more, less, normal. You can cook within 5 minutes, you can cook it within 15 minutes, and in normal you can cook it in 25 minutes. So if you are in a hurry, just adjust by clicking this and you can cook as fast as you want or as slow as you want. I will keep it in normal mode, so it will basically take 15 minutes for me to cook this biryani. And also there is a option of pressure level, how high you want to keep your pressure. I will keep the pressure high because it's biryani and I want the meat to be cooked properly, so I am keeping the pressure level high. And now I will just press the start button and it will start cooking by itself. And before that, once again a gentle reminder, you have to keep it in the seal mode and not in the venting mode. Venting mode e রাখলে সব হাওয়া বেরিয়ে যাবে and pressure developing করবে না. And there is a great option to keep it warm, just like foods are kept warm in a buffet, সেরকম ভাবে এটাতেও খাবার warm থাকবে. Once the preheating stage is over, it will start cooking and it will show the remaining time. It's showing that 11 minutes left for the biryani to be completed. Alright, while my biryani is getting cooked, আমার তো বেসিক্যালি কিছু করতে হচ্ছে না, এটা নিজে থেকে যা করার করছে। সো ট্রেডিশনাল কুকিংয়ের মতো খুন্তি ফন্তি বেশিক্ষণ নাড়ানাড়ির কোনো সিন নেই, কোনো কষ্ট নেই, যা হবে এই করবে, মোবাইল ঘাঁটুন, নিজের কাজ করুন বা এই কুকবুক থেকে আরও কটা রেসিপি শিখুন। It's your choice, but you don't have to do anything because it's a smart pressure cooker and it will do all by itself. Finally our biryani is ready and you can see it's looking too yummy-licious and it's having a mind-blowing aroma. I have done a basic plating with raita and eggs, nothing that fancy because the biryani itself will be flavorful enough that no such garnishing will be required. This is how my biryani looks. It's highly aromatic and fragrant. The chicken is cooked to perfection. আলুটা পুরো মাখনের মতো গলে গেছে and the biryani is very flavorful. নিজে বানিয়েছি বলে মিথ্যে বলবো এরকম না, it's very flavorful. Basically the recipe they provide is truly perfect for this RoboCook pressure cooker. And the chicken obviously it's juicy, tender and has absorbed the flavors of the biryani masalas really well. But let me be a bit honest with you, ঘিটা একটু বেশি পড়ে গেছে. It's heavenly delicious. I never imagined that বাড়িতে বসেও এত হাই লেভেলের বিরিয়ানি বানানো যেতে পারে। অ্যাটলিস্ট আমি আগে অনেকবার চেষ্টা করেছিলাম ডিউরিং লকডাউন, বাট অত ভালো রেজাল্ট পাইনি, তাই সেটা ভিডিও করে দেখাইনি। বাট দিস প্রেশার কুকার হ্যাজ ডান দ্য জব। ওয়ান্স এগেন ঘিটা যদি একটু কম হতো, রাইসটা আর একটু খিলা খিলা হওয়া হতো, বাট দ্যাটস নট দেয়ার প্রবলেম, দিস ইজ মাই ফল্ট। অসম। রোবো কুকারকে 10-এ 10 দিলাম, বিকজ ইটস সাচ আ ইউনিক ইনভেনশন। আরও অন্য অনেক ডিশ আমি শিওরলি ট্রাই করব, আপনারাও কিনে দেখুন। আই হোপ ইউ ওন্ট গেট ডিসঅ্যাপয়েন্টেড। Thanks for making me a part of your day. So if you have enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, I will request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as it motivates me to make new videos like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.